When we staked out the house, we aimed for those mountains.
Because the view is beautiful.
Because the view is beautiful.
And we love hiking, we love the mountains, so it was a perfect setting.
We decided to build at this location because we used to live in the Seattle area and the traffic there is unbearable.
And it's quiet and it's very peaceful. I think that played a large role. We had a general idea of what we wanted, and Tim, who was the architect we worked with, did an excellent job of working from that and from pictures of what our other house looked like, with significant improvements given what we were looking for. Estes did an excellent job of ahead of time saying exactly what everything would cost and not varying from that. So you knew up front ahead of time what you were in for, you knew up front ahead of time if you could or couldn't afford it, and you could make changes accordingly. That was extremely helpful. Doing it that way takes away all the anxiety and fears of building your home. I think some of the best features are the amount of light in the house and the interior design and the use of space. Things like the larger utility room for washing off dog feet, etc. I think Marvin's most excited about his camera room. I'm most excited about the mud utility room for the dog feet.